Hey gang, wanted to quickly open this box of update series that I got for my birthday. Ignore the cards everywhere. I've got so much stuff to go through and put up. I just busted a case of Optic Basketball, which you will see on the channel. Hopefully I'll have it posted before this one. I don't know. I've lost track of, I've opened so much stuff, I've lost track of what order I have these videos in. It's kind of out of control at this point. But you do get one Jackie Robinson Day commemorative patch card. Yeah, if my voice sounds weird, I have been sick as a dog. I'm starting to feel some better, but I'm still congested and sounding really weird, sniffly. Alright, there we go. The commemorative card is by itself, so we'll go ahead and check that out. See who, congrats, you've received a, okay, oh, Mike Trout, cool. Similar to a lot of their commemorative cards, but Mike Trout's definitely a good one to get. Okay. Well, that's nice. That's as good as the commemorative cards I was pulling out of full-size hobby boxes of Series 2 tops. So, getting it out of a blaster is... That's right, Tops. I'm looking at you. Alright, let's see if we can get any good rookies out of this, or parallels. There's Yelich. Here is a Ichiro Gold. Ichiro and Ohtani. So that is a nice little pull out of a blaster, numbered to 2018. Nice. Acuna, Legends in the Making. Jackie Robinson, postseason. There's a rookie, Acuna. Farquhar. I just like saying that, Farquhar. I probably should get some more of this. Let's see if I tried looking for it at my local Walmart and couldn't find it, so I don't know where my sister found it. Maybe her Walmart had it. Hall of Fame, Vladimir Guerrero. Sandy Koufax, Hall of Fame, Trevor Hoffman. What's the difference between these two? Not sure. This looks like a parallel on the surface, but it's not numbered, so maybe I am reading too much into it. As usual, I probably won't spot any short prints right off the bat, so we'll have to go back through and look later. If you see any, please comment below and let me know. That would be a huge favor. There's an Ohtani 3-game home run streak. Gurriel rookie. Don't Blink, Trout. Tyler O'Neill rookie. Definitely say so far so good out of this box. Get off my base. Hicks rookie, Tyler Wade rookie, Adames. I don't know, Isaiah Kiner Falafa, I don't know. Randy Johnson. Oh wow, looks like we have a black border parallel, and it is Matt Chapman. This is numbered to 299, so not as exciting as I initially thought it was. Still, storybook endings, Jeter, McCutchen insert. Gotti. Here is a Chipper Jones Hall of Fame. I guess I could just turn these around. George Springer. Postseason Johnny Bench. Again, it looks different, but I guess it's not. I'm going to have to get into the checklist, see if there is any parallel version. I might go ahead and order some more of these blasters. They seem to be a pretty good value. Bregman. Bogarts. Lucchesi rookie. Soroka rookie. Doolittle. Tuve. Skaggs. There's a Glaber. And a Joey Votto hollow full. Lou Brock. Berrios. Alright, 2 more packs. As usual with tops, lots of cards. Schwarber. Yu Darvish. Cunha. Peralta, Man, and our last pack. Ichiro, or Soto, Bruce, another Vladimir Guerrero Hall of Famer, Ozzie Smith, and that is it. Quite a nice little stack of inserts and parallels here. If I can get them off the table. Yeah, it says a lot for a blaster box. Although there's some good rookies in there too. A couple of Acuna, the gold, and the Mike Trout. And this was everything else. Lots and lots and lots of cards. And that, my friends, is one blaster box of 2018 Topps Update Baseball. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with my next break soon. Everybody take care.